then it will becomes very easy. See your first question. Here in each and every question we need to find dy by dx. Dy by dx. Okay. So dy by dx means simply differentiate on both sides. All the questions simply can I differentiate on both sides with respect to x, because dy by dx we have to differentiate y with respect to x. Okay, I'm taking first question here. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. It size of 5.2. First question. The first one is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Let us take this as equation 1. So I am going to write all the steps properly here. Look at here. So each and every question you have to follow these steps, right? Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. Like that you have to. When I differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides, so here dy by dx. Okay. So what about left side value? LHS. So d by dx of 2x plus 3y is equal to d by dx of sin x. See here we can write directly answer also. It is a simple question. Okay, so after that you have to multiply with d by dx. So d by dx into 2x, write it separately. So d by dx of 3y is equal to d by dx of sin x. So what is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x.
Cos x.
Yeah, it is clearly cos x. Since we are having property, what is the property? The property is, since d by dx of kx can be written as a k times of d by dx. Like you can take any function here, like g, k into g of x. So it can be written as g of x. K is a constant, you can take it outside. I'm applying this property here. So 2 times of d by dx of x plus 3 times of d by dx of bracket y. This is equal to cos x. Okay, which implies here 2 into dx get cancelled. Okay, d by dx of x derivative, clearly we know that 1 into 3 into dy by dx, it is equal to cos x. Okay, right, but we want to only dy by dx. So 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2. So therefore, finally, we require dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3 times of cos x minus 2. That's it. This is the required dy by dx. Like that, try to write each and every step. So differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Then take dy by dx to each and every function separately. You can write. Then write the formulas. Formulas can play a major role here. Okay. So like especially you have to remember product rule and division rule. Okay. Right. Next question is, so second also like 2x plus 3y into sin. So take dy by dx on both sides. Here we will get 1 dy by dx. Here we will get 1 dy by dx. So here also separately you can apply. Here You can apply UV formula, x into y, UV formula. Y square is 2y into dy by dx. Okay, all are separate. Here UV formula. Here y square, okay, separate. UV product rule. Here cos becomes minus sin xy, again xy derivative, like UV formula again, here separately. Like here inverse in the question number 9 to till last question, the question which is related to inverse trigonometric functions, the derivative of inverse. So here before that, remember that I already explained you that. So what is the mean by implicit function and explicit function? Implicit and explicit, anyone? For example, y square, otherwise I want to take like this, y is equal to like x square. Y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 3 is there. So what about this function? Is this implicit function or explicit function? Yes. This is in the form of y is equal to f of x. Y, okay, y we express it in terms of x. Y is a function in terms of x. So that this is explicit function. Okay, this is explicit function and implicit function. Explicit function, and sometimes the function we cannot express the y in terms of x. Sometimes it is not possible, right? Y is equal to f of x form, then that is called implicit function. Implicit function is f of x comma y is equal to some zero, some constancy. So f of x comma y is equal to 0, then this is called implicit function. Implicit function, right? So example, so here first question we can easily write y is equal to something. Second question, also second question we cannot write. Can you able to write y is equal to something? Because can you able to take y is common in, okay, in 3y and sin y we cannot take. Here we cannot take. So first one is explicit function, second one is implicit. Here also implicit function. Here can you able to separate? No, here also we cannot write separately, but y square is there. Here only y. Degree is not same. Implicit function. Here also we cannot write y is equal to f of x form. Here also we cannot write y is equal to f of x form. Okay. Here we can write. Here we can write easily because sine square we can take right side, cos square y is equal to cos square x will be. So y is equal to the cos square get cancelled, then x is equal to y generally. Okay. So here, what about this? Here also we cannot write y is equal to f of x form. This is implicit form. Anyhow, so let's see. Okay, let us do the second one. Second one, again take the dy by dx on both sides. When I take dy by dx on both sides, second one also very easy. Okay, take dy by dx on both sides. So what is the difference here between these two questions, first and second? Here x is given, but here y is given. That is only different. So 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Same here also same. Take dy dx on both sides. 2x plus 3y is equal to dy dx of sin y. After that, what to do? 2 into the derivative of x is 1 plus 3 into y derivative is dy by dx. Right side alone, sin y will be cos y, again y derivative. Sin, so here again chain rule, because with respect to x, y is independent variable. Okay, both will be different variables. Sin becomes cos y, again y derivative is dy by dx. Now dy by dx terms you can take at one side, then so cos y dy by dx minus 3 dy by dx is equal to 2. Now take dy by dx is common. Then here it is cos y minus 3 is equal to 2. Finally, dy by dx is 2 by cos y minus 3. Okay, this is the dy by dx value. Easy. That question number 2 is you can try. Let us go for some other questions. Like let us go for question number 4. You can try this third question also. Third question. So we can write directly answer. Can anyone tell what is the answer here? A into x derivative 1 plus b into y square derivative is first 2y into dy by dx is equal to right side cos y derivative is minus sin y formula. Again y derivative is dy by dx. Is that clear? Now you can write dy by dx terms at one side. Okay, dy by dx you can take common and remaining terms you can send to right side. You can cross multiply, will get the answer. But coming to fourth question, here we cannot differentiate directly. UV formula we can apply. So fourth question I am going to do now xy plus y square. Okay, fourth one is xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. Here also we can write directly answer, but NCERT we cannot write directly. Again, we differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. So we are going to get d by dx of xy plus y square is equal to d by dx of tan x plus y. Now write it separately. So which implies d by dx of xy, d by dx of y square, d by dx of tan x plus d by dx of y. See here, UV formula. Since we know that the UV formula, anyone, what is the derivative of UV? Root U V dash plus U dash V. So here, what is U? I'm taking x as U, y as V. Apply UV rule or product rule. So first, U V dash x into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x. Am I right? U v dash plus u dash v. U dash nothing but d by dx of x plus here y square. Y square derivative is clearly 2y into again y derivative is dy by dx. Chain rule. Y square. First y square, then after y derivative. Okay. That is equal to, since we know that here direct tan x. Tan is a function in terms of x. Tan x is secant square x. Plus your last one is dy by dx. Now again the same thing. After differentiated, you can take all the dy by dx terms at one side, and remaining terms you can keep its left side. Okay. So what are the dy by dx terms? So here how many dy by dx terms here? Yes. Here it is dy by dx. Yeah. Here it is dy by dx. Here it is dy by dx. So you can keep it left side this dy by dx terms, x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx, and here right side also dy by dx. You can take it left side dy by dx. It is equal to, what is the remaining value right side? Secant square x minus what is the remaining value? Dx cancel. Y remaining value y, so that is minus y. Plus y becomes minus y. So you can take dy by dx common here, remaining x plus 2y minus 1 is clearly equal to secant square x minus y. So therefore, finally dy by dx value is secant square x minus y whole divided by x plus 2y minus 1. That's it. Okay, from your side, any doubts here? Yes, students. So what I've done, I'm taking dy by dx on both sides. I will write it separately. Then after I applied product rule. The first one remaining are the direct standard forms. So y square I have written 2y into dy by dx. Then at last I'm taking dy by dx terms at one side, remaining terms at another side, then I written dy by dx. That's it. So this is the way you can do to find dy by dx. All the problems, right? Okay, now next question. What is the question we will do? Can you able to try this question? Fifth one. Fifth one answer is what? Anyone? See a fifth one. I'm doing directly x square derivative, 2x. Xy derivative. Again, just now we find all that x y, x dy by dx plus y into 1. Y square is just now we done already, y square is 2y dy by dx is equal to 100. 100 is a constant derivative 0. So now this dy by dx can take common and remaining these two terms take right side. That is the answer. Okay, let us do the sixth one. Sixth question is first, the question is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. So right, in solution what I have to do here, first differentiate on both sides. D by dx of this total value should be equal to d by dx of 81. So right side clearly 0 because 81 is a constant derivative always 0. So write it separately, d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of xy square plus d by dx of y cube is equal to 0 because 81 derivative 0. Fine. Now first one is clearly x power n formula you can apply here. What is the formula we can apply here? D by dx of x power n is n x power n minus 1. That formula I am applying for first. So 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1. Actually, into we need to write actually dx by dx because again x derivative cube x power n is completed. What is the derivative of again x 1? That we know clearly 1, so that mostly we cannot write this because it is 1. So plus your uv rule. What is u? What is v? That is important. So this is u, this is v. Product rule you can apply. So here since we know that x square into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x square. Okay, I have finished this. Clear? Next. Okay, so this is UV formula, right? Even here also you can apply the UV formula plus x into d by dx of y square plus y square into d by dx of x. Then at last again see here y cube. Y cube is clearly 3 into y to the power of 3 minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to right side 0. Y cube again after applying exponent formula again the derivative of y with respect to x in this y cube. Okay, anyhow, so write your all these values properly. So this is clearly 3x square. Here we know that x cube derivative is 3x square, but you should not write directly. So then x square into dy by dx. Can I take directly dy by dx common? So where are the dy by dx terms? Here dy by dx. And okay, we need to write. Okay, write one more step here. This is dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x square is clearly 2x plus x into whatever this y square derivative, y square is 2y again dy by dx plus y square into what is the d by dx of x 1 plus here 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now we can Take dy by dx is common. Dy by dx, here dy by dx, here dy by dx, here dy by dx, here dy by dx. Take dy by dx common, then x square here plus 2xy plus 3y square. And remaining terms you can take right side. So 3x square becomes minus 3x square minus 2xy, then plus minus y square. Am I right? So finally dy by dx is clearly equal to minus take common. So 3x square plus 2xy plus y square whole divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is the required, this is the required dy by dx. Am I right, students? Or having any doubt?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next. Okay, let us go for the next question. Okay, we'll do this question 7. Eighth one is very easy actually compared to 7. Let's do it. Okay, sine square y plus cos xy is equal to, seventh question is sine square y plus cos of xy. Okay, cos xy is equal to k. K is some constant. Right, same. Take d by dx on both sides. The solution I'm writing directly here. So this is sine square y. D by dx of cos of xy is equal to d by dx of q. Okay, left side. First, what is the formula we can apply here? So we should apply since first one in the form of d by dx of x square. X square is 2x. Sine square. So here, which implies 2 sine y. Sine x or sine y? Okay. 2 sine y. Again, the derivative of d by dx of sine y. I'm applying this. I differentiated just only square. I applied x square formula. Then we got 2y into again the derivative of base sine y plus here cos derivative. First, I want to differentiate cos alone minus sine xy. Cos derivative is minus sine. Again, d by dx of xy is equal to right side is 0. Now, what to do here? Here we can apply again UV rule. This is U, this is D. This is sine y. So finally, so 2 sine y into sine y derivative is cos y. Again, the derivative of y. See, differentiation of sine y is cos y. D by dx of y minus sine of xy. Then apply UV rule. X into dy by dx plus y into dx by dx. That is 1. See, right. So this is so what about here? Multiply the second. So finally here we get 2 sine y cos y. Can I write here 2 sine y cos y as what is 2 sine theta cos theta formula?
2 sine 2y.
Sine 2y into dy by dx minus, yeah, multiply here. When I multiply with minus sine xy, so here we get x into, you should write first x into sine xy into dy by dx. Next, my plus into minus y sine xy alone is equal to 0 because dx by dx is 1. Dx by dx value is 1. So now you can take dy by dx is common. So here it is sine 2y. Here also dy by dx is there, so x is sine xy. So it is equal to minus y sine xy. You can take right side. So plus y sine xy. Okay, finally we have to write this dy by dx is y sine xy by this value. Sine 2y minus x sine xy. Is it clear, students? Having any doubts? Carefully you have to do here. Sine square. First apply x square. Then after sine y, sine derivative. Then after y derivative, like that. It's a try to write more number of steps. Okay. The problem is for integrated student, they can write many OBT exams. So in OBT means we need to write the solution in shortcut in 1 or 2 steps. So that in NCRT also this slip test or else off-road model. So in that exam, they are simply writing only 2-3 steps. How many steps I have written here? Almost 5 to 6. But many of the students, they'll write only just 3 steps. It's not correct, okay? Fine, students. Now, can you try the 8th one? Because here, I'll write directly answer. All of you try, tell me answer. Sine square x becomes 2 sin x derivative again cos x. Cos square first, 2 cos y. Again cos y derivative, we have to differentiate cos, means minus sine y. Again the derivative of y is dy by dx. Is equal to right side is 0. Right side is 0. So what do you observe here? So to take common, otherwise here this becomes sine 2x minus plus into minus sine 2y is dy by dx is equal to 0. So finally dy by dx, they'll give like a sine 2x by sine 2y. This is the answer. Sometimes they may give in terms of they may write dash separately also. This also can be written as sine x cos x by sine y cos y. So what is the answer they given in book bag? Both will be right. Either you can write sine 2x by sine 2y or else sine x cos x by sine y cos y. Okay, question number 9. Question number 9 to till last question we have to do in 2 ways. We will do 2 ways. What are the 2 ways? I'll explain. So what is the question number 9? Question number 9 is y is equal to sine inverse of. So in OBT part also these are important. The derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. Right? Method 1. Let us take this as equation 1. Method 1 is substitution method. Okay, students, method 1. So what is method 1? Simple. Let us take x is equal to, I want to substitute tan theta. Tan theta, why should we substitute tan theta? What is sine 2 theta formula? Anyone in terms of tan? Sine 2 theta in terms of tan. Anyone? Two?
Tan theta by 1 plus tan square root.
Exactly. So if you remember this formula, then it will become very easy. When I consider x as tan theta, which implies tan inverse x is equal to theta. Am I right? Take tan left side. Okay, this is fine. Now this, in place of x, I want to substitute tan theta. Okay. From 1, substitute 1 here. From 1, y is equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Am I right? So y is equal to sine inverse of, yeah, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta formula is sine 2 theta. Am I right? Sine 2 theta formula this is. Now sine inverse, sine get cancel. So this is equal to, we get 2 theta. What is 2 theta? What is theta value here? Yes, students. What is theta?
Tan inverse.
Yeah, substitute here. Tan inverse x. Now you can differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Now it is very easy because tan inverse x is a standard form. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. When I differentiate, left side clearly dy by dx. Right side 2 into d by dx of tan inverse. So what is the tan inverse x derivative? 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the answer. Okay, students, this is the answer. This is method 1. See, I'm changing to simplest form. This is actually in inverse trigonometry. I have written formula sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x. Once you can go through that, I already given the formula here. But in NCERT, we cannot write directly. Again, I'm taking a derived. Actually, I derived here. So sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, I written it to tan inverse x. We derived. Okay. This derivative part you must do in NCERT, right? Like this is method 1. Okay. We'll discuss method 2. Method 2 is simple. 1 minute more. So method 2 means the sine inverse you can take it left side. Sine inverse, if I take left side, what will happen? Sine y is equal to 2x by 8. Method 2 will do next class. Okay. Actually, I'll give some ideas. Sine y can be written as 2x by 1 plus x square. Now we can differentiate. Differentiate on both sides. Sine y is clearly cos y dy by dx. This is method 2. Right side you can apply u by v formula. U by v formula. So whatever the method you feel convenient, you can go through that in exam, right?